Hi everyone, I'm Paul Dollywall. Today I just wanted to go over a lumbar support belt with you guys. This is one provided by EMS or Extend Medical Supply. They're an Amazon company. They make this product for about 25 bucks. Two sizes. This is the large in a size 28 to 38. This is the one for most adults. It's a lifetime warranty on this thing. Basically they guarantee 100% satisfaction. If it's not comfortable or you don't like it, they'll give you a full refund. The product is made in India, looks like. They advertise as being breathable, it won't irritate the skin, dual strap adjustments. So this is the brace all wrapped up. It looks pretty heavy duty. It has some plastic pieces in here, little pillars that help give you a little bit of support. It's pretty solid. So this should last a pretty long time for you. The one thing I just noticed is, as you can see, it says this side up, but when you wrap the brace on, the logo's upside down. So that must have been a little bit of a printing error, but that's okay. It doesn't affect the quality. They say it can be worn underneath your clothing, so directly on skin. I would probably recommend against that, just because you get more oils and stuff on the actual fabric, and then it is machine washable, but you just want to keep it from getting gross or anything like that. So I'll just try it on, see how it fits, and give you an impression of how it feels. So it's quite large. Again, covers your entire lower back, but it actually fits quite snug. In the front, there's two straps. So there's an elastic strap here on the outside and a thicker solid strap on the inside. So I assume what we're doing is, because there's no instructions or anything, we're opening up this one, tightening up the solid strap first, like that. And then open up the elastic, giving it an extra pull for more support. Wrapping it across like that, and now you have a nice solid support for your lower back. Fits pretty snug, like I said. It's pretty comfortable actually. It does conform with the curvature of your lower back, which is quite nice, so it's going to encourage good posture. So sitting, if I was typing on a computer, it does give me a nice little bit of feedback into where neutral pelvis is, where my back should be. And if I try to slouch, it does fight me a little bit. So it helps encourage that good posture, which I really like for people that work at a desk job. It just helps prevent that slouching kind of behavior. Especially if you're battling with some low back pain or having acute injury. I can definitely see someone popping this on towards the end of the day when the back is getting tired, just for a little extra support. It feels pretty solid, feels pretty comfortable. I just wouldn't wear it for exercise or anything that involves running or twisting or bending, just because it's going to be a little bit too restrictive. But definitely for a day-to-day working or heavy lifting, I could see it being a little bit of a help, especially if you're battling an injury. So again, they sell this product for about $25 on Amazon. I'll have the link below, and it's pretty comfortable. I'm actually quite happy with this and surprised for the price. It's a lot cheaper than most of the stuff that we get in the medical world. Thanks for checking out my video. Please subscribe, and we'll have more videos in the future.